Hi, so what is life purpose? Life purpose is the way you're expressing yourself out in the world in the most crude form as a soul. So much before we were born, we decided why we would incarnate on earth. Why would we be here on earth? So each of us as souls, we had a purpose. Before we were born, we sat with our spirit guides, with our angel team, and we decided what is the reason that we are taking this incarnation on earth. Also, as we were born, we passed through what we call as the veil of amnesia, or forgetting everything we decided before birth, and we took birth in a human body. We were given a human body. We came out in this human world, and for the first couple of months we still remembered a little bit of things. But as we started growing up, as we started transitioning into childhood, eventually teenage, and then finally our adulthood, we forgot everything what we had decided for before we were born. We all are different, and it is our difference which makes us all make this world. So each of us has a core soul purpose, which means your soul could be a warrior soul, which makes you always stand up for the right things. There are people who always stand up, they are the activists. They take leadership and they do things for the. Then there are physician souls. Now, these people are either the healthcare workers, healers, doctors. These are the people for whom people's health and people's life transformation has been their sole purpose. That's the essence of their soul. They constantly want to make people's lives better, whether it is physically, mentally, or even spiritually. There are teacher souls, there are artists, painter souls, there are people who are into music, there are musician souls, there are dancer souls. So every person has some purpose. Every person has come with some purpose on this planet. Because of the wheel of amnesia, what happens is people forget why they came here for, and they mostly start following the herd mentality. Just because someone becomes a lawyer, they become a lawyer, whereas they could be a doctor. Just because everyone else becomes an engineer, there is an artist, there is a person who is so good at creating music, he becomes an engineer. And we start only looking at what the world wants us to do rather than what we want to. Living your life purpose or living their soul's purpose is one of the easiest and the best way to come closer to the consciousness of God, because when you are living your soul purpose, you are aligning with your soul, and that is moving you closer on your ascension journey. It is making you live every day when you wake up, and when you look forward to serve the world with your life purpose, you are getting closer to being with God, to being with the consciousness of the universe, aka you are expediting your ascension journey. Now, how do you find your life purpose? Well, finding a life purpose is not an overnight process, but the best way to understand and find your life purpose is to follow your heart, which will lead you to your life purpose. Yesterday night, I started offering life purpose readings to all my clients. The first 10 obviously got an advantage, and if you're watching this and if you're among the first 10, you know when I will send you the life purpose reading, what does the life purpose reading mean to you, and you will definitely be able to find and join all the dots and get to your life purpose. But if you haven't yet opted for the life purpose reading with me, you can do so by sending me a DM. Please know that it's a paid service. I will direct you to the payment, and then we can go forward and work with your life purpose. Of course, in addition to this, we also have life purpose coaching sessions which are available with me one-on-one, which can be done on Google Meet or Zoom, and again, these are paid sessions too. Living your life purpose can be one of the most beautiful experiences, where you wake up every day looking forward to having a wonderful day, living every day in joy, living every day as if you are on the best vacation of your life, while working with people, while changing lives, while transforming other people, and at the same time having joy, fun, and lots of peace and joy in your life. Are you ready to take the next step towards your life purpose? If yes, please send us a DM and we will take you hand holding from there.